Hey, what's up guys? So I'm gonna go ahead now guys, and that's right, install it in the car. Back in the car guys, as you can see I have the airbag already popped off, so we're good to go now to take off the steering wheel and install the new steering wheel on. So I'll go ahead now and get to work. So there you have it guys, I just finished up the installation. Once again I have this airbag still popped because I want to make sure when I'm driving with the steering wheel now that it's as straight as possible. If not, I have to take it off again, reposition it, put it back on, rescrew it, all that works. And as you can see I have a different R-line badge here. This one's a longer one. I can show you it. See, it's a longer one, it's one piece. The one I have on the old steering wheel here, the stock steering wheel, is the two-piece R-line badge. You can see there's two-piece there. Okay. Now I do have the GTI badge, but I just took it off. It's in my house somewhere. And that's it. So this then effectively ends the video. Please guys, leave a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.